did not get to see her best friend Ginger. So this morning we woke up to Ginger right out on the driveway. She's a little more of the rebellious one. Then got ready, we were headed to the beach. So we headed out, the three families, and what ended up happening, we arrived, we were looking for a spot that fit our needs. We were in the shade, half sun, half shade. So we set ourselves up fairly close to the water. We decided to relax, some of us, and some of us to go into the water. We left the beach, but as we were headed back, we stopped by this restaurant on the side of the road. Really good.
Alright, take a bite. It's really good, there's no meat in it, it's like basically a giant potato chip. Yeah, see? Diego, you take a bite now.
Stop eating my...
We headed to Titi Tere's house to pick up Ata, to bring her over to Hilton's Embassy Suites here in San Juan. Basically where we are right now. I think later we're going to be headed to Isla Verde. There's a possibility we head to Isla Verde. Wow. So we ended off the night by going all together as a family to a restaurant called Gallo Caribe. Was a nice guy named Anthony Martinez who happened to have the same passion as I do with filming, cameras, and photography, videography, cinematography. His Instagram is This Point of View. It's a lot of creative work. I suggest you check it out. It was a great night, delicious food, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thank you.